The amazing OnePlus 9 is packed with features that will blow your mind, and today we're counting down the top 5 reasons why you absolutely need the OnePlus 9 in your life. It boasts a stunning 6.55-inch fluid AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means scrolling gaming and watching videos will be buttery smooth and incredibly responsive. If you're a visual junkie, this phone won't disappoint. The OnePlus 9 packs a powerful triple camera system on the back, featuring a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, detailed close-ups, or epic group shots, this camera system delivers exceptional results. Plus, don't forget the 16-megapixel selfie camera for capturing your best angles. Looking for a phone that can handle anything you throw at it? It equipped with the top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM. This powerhouse combo ensures smooth multitasking, flawless gaming, and the ability to run even the most demanding apps with ease. Nobody likes a phone that dies on them halfway through the day. It tackles that fear with a long-lasting 4500 mAh battery. But even if you do run low, don't worry. OnePlus's signature warp charge technology gets you back to 100% in a flash, so you can keep on living your life without interruption. These days, phones can be crazy expensive, but the OnePlus 9 offers fantastic value for money. Compared to some competitors, you're getting similar specs and features at a more attractive price point. This phone is a great option for those who want a premium experience without the premium price tag. The OnePlus 9 is a compelling option for anyone looking for a powerful feature-packed phone with a beautiful display. If you're on the hunt for a new phone, this phone should definitely be on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a smartphone, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.